Right folks, this is giving you a warning on a live video today at 3 o'clock. This is what's going to be. We came here this morning, picked these posts up. Look at that. David McCallum didn't have a look in the invisible gatewalker, eh? There you go. Anyway, if you come here, come closer, come closer. We're going to do the famous Red Pine Gate. I'm going to make that. Now you see this here folks, this is quick set concrete in these holes, and you're 15 minutes, and I repeat 15 minutes with this. So what we've had to do with this one here, because it knuckled off a wee bit, it knuckled off, but look, we've got it sitting perfect. I put this board here, propped it into there, screwed that on, we'll leave that for 15 minutes, that's it, perfect. If you put that in there, see if you put that in there to see the level, see the bubble wobble, right? So that bubble wobble's there. Then we'll go to this one, and the bubble wobble's the same, right? Okay, so that's perfect. What we're going to do is do a gate there, and 2 panels. Can't be easier. We'll let you see the end product later on today, and then you can decide at 3 o'clock in the workshop, a live update, me making or finishing. We'll see how far progressed I have done this afternoon with these gates. So see you all later with the live video. Okay, and Hugh and Sheila, can't wait to see the finished result there. And we're wondering, have I got Sheila's name right? I think I have. It's Hugh and Sheila, good customers of mine. Haven't been here for many years. Next door's customers too. The mighty WSH fencing yet again. So let's wait on all the finished product this afternoon in the workshop.